If you are running Grafana open source and you want LLM help without Grafana Cloud, this video is for you. We'll use Claude Desktop and the Grafana MCP server to use LLMs to analyze our local dashboard. If this video saves you some time, please do me a favor, hit the like button and let's get into it. If you've looked for how to integrate an LLM with Grafana, you've probably seen the Grafana LLM plugin. It unfortunately doesn't unlock the same assistant style workflows you get in Grafana Cloud, so we can use the MCP server instead. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a standard way to plug tools into an LLM, so the LLM can securely do things like call an API, fetch dashboard definitions, or summarize what it finds. In our case, MCP is how we connect an LLM to Grafana in a practical, open source friendly way. My example will show you how to do it locally, but you can adapt this if you deploy an MCP server in your work environment. So as you can see, I have a local Grafana instance running with a demo dashboard. Let's get into it. The first step is to create a read-only Grafana service account. I'll call this LLM read-only with the role of viewer. The next step is to create a token. Same thing. And then copy that token to my clipboard. Please make sure not to give the service account admin privileges. You only need read access to list dashboards and inspect content. Next, you can install Claude Desktop from Anthropic for your operating system and sign in. We need to add the Grafana MCP server to Claude's configuration file by navigating to Settings. We can then edit the config. Let's use text edit. So now in this config, I will add the MCP server. Note that the two things we need are the Grafana URL, which points to host.docker.internal because we're using a Docker container that's listening on port 3500, and the Grafana service account token, which I will add off screen. After modifying this file, we can save it and then restart Claude Desktop. Right, now I have restarted Claude Desktop. I can then say list the dashboards I have using the Grafana MCP. Now we can try something more practical. Let's say pick the most important dashboard and summarize what it monitors. Tell me what panels may be expensive and why. Let's look at another query. Let's say explain this dashboard to an on-call engineer. I can go on and on, but you can see that Claude Desktop is a good fit for quick access to an LLM on your local machine. You don't need an IDE, you only need one config file and you're done. So this is the short path. You only need a read-only service account in Grafana, the Grafana MCP server, Claude Desktop, and some prompts. If you want more videos like this, which are open source, practical and fast, please subscribe to the channel. And if this helped, please hit the like button so more people can find it. See you in the next video.